Hello everyone, so welcome to my vlog. So this is DG vlog, and for today's video is I will share to you my life verse. So life verse is for me one of the things that helped me build my discipline. It helps me with my um, thinking, because through this life verse is I am guided on the basis of how should I think right from wrong. So I know there's things like right, there's things that you do not need to do or is a bad thing to do, but having a life verse in the Bible is much better than just relying on knowing what's right or wrong based on your perception. So one life verse that I will share to you is in the book of Proverbs. So quick backstory. Proverbs was written by King Solomon. So King Solomon was the wisest king, and he is also the richest man during his age. So meaning is super wealthy, like all the riches, the gold, he has it all. Wisdom, he is very knowledgeable. So King Solomon wrote the book of Proverbs. And in that Proverbs is my life verse, which is found in Proverbs 3 verse 5 to 6. Now let me read it to you. In Proverbs 3 verse 5 to 6 says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not unto your own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy paths." So this is a very complex verse in a sense, but simply listening to the verse, or in literal sense, is that we should trust in God. So in other words, we just have to believe in him. So believe in him, and then what was the negative side of the statement? Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not onto your own understanding. In other words, trust God, not yourself. So that is very opposite thing to compare, right? Kasi nga mag-iba sila. Sabi daw, trust the Lord, and then you will say trust not onto yourself. So yung pinopoint dito is that we should trust God. Hindi tayo masa sa ating sariling karunungan, kasi nga God God is more powerful than, he is more knowledgeable, and of course he's a God. So yan yung pinaka verse na aking napili, is because I am reminded that hindi ako maging compliant sa aking sariling knowledge. Hindi ako masa sa sarili kong knowledge, because God's wisdom, God's knowledge is more powerful than my knowledge. Kasi nga mas marunong siya, alam niya lahat. Before I was born, he chose me, so why should I not trust him? So that's my point. So another verse was the number 6, which says, "In all thine ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy paths." So for me, yung verse na yon is pinaka connection niya sa verse na una, na magtiwala ako sa Diyos, is that sa lahat ng aking gagawin, sa lahat ng aking mga iniisip, is dapat nakaka-glorify kay God. So in other words is mag-iingat ako sa ginagawa ko Kasi baka yung ginagawa ko hindi maganda para sa Panginoon, baka may ginagawa ako na or naisip ako na hindi pala maganda para sa Panginoon. So it helps me build awareness of myself and to others na hindi ako maging masama or wala akong magawang di maganda. So I mostly avoid na mga bagay na di dapat gawin. So that's a very good thing. So see, napapansin nyo, kapag ako ay nagtitiwala sa Panginoon is I do not rely on myself. Kasi nga iniisip ko sa sarili ko na, Lord, is this right? Tama na ba itong ginagawa ko? Did I make the right decision? And then when I made the decision is I think to myself na, God, is what I'm doing glorifying you? Am I acknowledging you? Kasi nga if you don't, then you know na hindi yan maganda. So yun, that's my life verse number 1 in Proverbs 3 verse 5 to 6. So kung gusto nyo pang matutunan yung mga life verse na pwede nyo ring magamit sa yung araw-araw na pamumuhay in this world, then kindly follow, subscribe, and comment kung taga saan ka, so I can share to you more verses. So that's it for my video. So thank you everyone for listening, and I hope to see you on my next video. Then bye everyone. Peace.